a complete computer guide.
Hi, welcome you all in my channel. As you know, I am Dhananjay.
Today I have come with 16th video of QBASIC series. In this video, we will read library functions in QBASIC. Viewers, if you have not seen my previous video, then you just go on YouTube and open and click search and search KD production there. That's my channel name, and there you'll see all that videos, or you can go on channel and then open playlist, and that playlist you can see here that playlist name is computer guide. And in this computer guide, after opening this, you can see here I have put many videos of QBASIC here, so you can read from here all those videos, then it will be easy for you to understand this video. So viewers, go there and watch first, then come here to watch it. Viewers, if you like my videos or that is useful for you to learn or that provide you some important knowledge, then please like, share and comment in my videos, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today in this class I'm going to teach you library functions in QBASIC. So in library function, first you have to understand that what is function. So function is one ready-made key which has made for users to do some calculation quickly and effectively. In that case, for that purpose we use functions in QBASIC. And here definition you can read: function in QBASIC are ready-made expression or the collection of program codes used to perform any particular task quickly and effectively. So that means same, means which work we want to do quickly, for that we have to use functions. There are two types of functions. One is user-defined function and other is library function. So another topic is what is user-defined function. So from name it is clear that user-defined function means which function has defined by user, that function is called user-defined function. So here you can see that the function created by user is called user-defined function. So clear that? Okay, understood? Next topic is library function. So here are some points that is saying that it is that function created by QBASIC developer, not by users. Means it is that function which is created by developer of QBASIC, not simple users who are playing QBASIC. Understood that? Okay. Other point is which has already defined, fixed, that we cannot change. Means which has already defined, means that are fixed on QBASIC programs. We can use that function here and that to perform their task quickly and effectively, but we cannot change it. Means we cannot write ourselves something new data. Understood? Okay. Other is it is also called built-in function. So it is built-in function also. If there is written built-in function there, then don't be confused. So that is library functions. Now in this class we'll read only library functions. So we first understand the library functions according to series, but later in modular programming we'll discuss about user-defined function also. Okay. So types of library function. There are two types of library function: mathematical functions and string function. Okay. So in mathematical function we'll read int function. It returns the largest integer part by removing the fractional part of the number. It rounds the number in case of negative value. So understand that it returns largest integer numbers or largest integer part by removing the fractional part. Means it removes the fractional part, but there is not rounding. in any case if there is positive number, but it rounds if there is negative number. Understood that? So here you can see the syntax in numeric expression. Here you can see the example, that both example I have shown you. Here you can see that a equal to 73.65, but here int and then a, here you can see then output is only 73, means it will not round, means we know that if there is 5 or above 5 after decimal point, then we can round it, but in int case we will not round it. That is positive number, but it rounds only in negative case. So you can see the another example. So here you can see that a equal to minus 73.65, then here you can see in the output it has rounded. Understood? Okay, so now I'll read another topic. Our another topic is square function. So it is used to find the square root of any positive numeric value. Here also you can note that it is saying that it is used only to find the square root of positive numeric value. It gives the square root of only positive numeric value, not negative numeric value. If we will give negative numeric value, then we will get nothing there in output. So you can see in the example of it. So both example I have shown you. So here you can see. So first example here a equal to 36 and the square a. Then here you can see output is 6. So it is positive numeric value. But another example you can see here. In output there is nothing, but here something error. You can see that in line 3 there is illegal function call. So that means you understood that. So it is saying that in negative numeric value it cannot run. Okay, so now another topic, we'll read another function, that is ABS function. So in what is the ABS function? First you have to understand that. So ABS means absolute. So it returns the absolute value, non-negative. Means absolute non-negative of a numeric expression. Means non-negative value of expression. Means positive value. Or if you have given any negative value, then it will give only positive value as output. Means absolute value, that is positive. But if you have given a positive value, then output of that is again positive. But negative, then it is positive. Understood that? Okay, you can see an example. So here you can see a equal to 34 and then a print ABS A, then you can see here value is 34. Same thing, here is because here is positive. But if you can see here I have given value of A is minus 34. Then also here output is 34, that is positive. Okay, so now another topic we will read, and that is another function, CINT function. So this function converts to an integer value by rounding. Means it converts the numeric value, but it rounds up. Understood? So it rounds. In the case of 5 or upper than 5 after decimal point, then it rounds. Understood? And also first syntax. So syntax is CINT and then numeric expression. Now I'll see the example. So a equal to 23.634. So here you can see after decimal point there is 6, then it rounds and then value is 24. That output you can see here. So it is the work of CINT function. Okay, so now another topic we'll read, that is fixed function. It returns the integer part of a numeric expression after removing decimal part. It also do the same function like int function. So here you can see it also remove the decimal part and only takes the integer part of the numeric expression, but it does not round number by any case. So either there is positive or negative, it will not round. Understood that? Okay, so now I can see the example here. So you can see same value is 23.634 and fixed here same value means 23, means it will not round. Now other will read other function, that is SGN function. It indicates the sign of numeric expression. Means it checks only the sign. Means if the value is positive, then it returns 1, means positive plus 1. If value is negative, then it returns minus 1. If value is 0, then it returns 0. means it will not display any value there, means it checks only sign, either that is positive, negative or 0. Understood that? And here you can see the syntax is SGN and then numeric expression. So now you can see the example here. So here you can see A equal to 23.634 and SGN means it is positive, then output is 1. Other example you can see, so here minus 23.634, then it is negative, then value is minus 1. And if you have given equal to 0, here value is 0, then output is also 0. So you can note that if you have any confusion, then after that you can ask with me, okay, and write in comment. Now we'll read another function, that is sine costan function, and here you can see the syntax, means sine costan. You have read in trigonometry that sine costan, it just gives the value, means any value that we placed in we put in place of numeric expression, then it gives the value, that is 45 degree or 30 degree or 60 degree, how much the value. Understood that? Okay, so I have not given the example of it, so you can do it yourself. Okay, so now other is a string function. Now I'll read a string function. So string function are built-in library functions which are used to handle or process alphanumeric characters effectively, means it checks alphanumeric characters. Name is a string function, so it works only on a string value. So len, left dollar, right dollar, it are the string function. So now I'll see the example of another functions here. So first function is here you can see len function. So len means length. So you know that. So len function returns the length of the string expression including blank spaces. Either there is blank space or not between your name. That also counted by len function, means len function provide you the length of that numeric value. Here you can see an example. Here $8 equals to Robin Sakya, and here you can count that it is totally 12. Also it counts the space between Robin and Sake, there is a space, so it just count also the space. Understood this? Okay, now I'll read another function, that is left dollar function. So left dollar function, it is used to count a string variable or a string value from the left side. So here you can see it is a string function that extracts and returns a specified number of characters from the left side of the given string. So which string has given here? In that string it counts from left side. How much value has specified there? According to that value, it just counts the alphabets or a string. Here in syntax you can see left dollar then bracket string expression comma number. So here number means how much number you have given, according to that number it counts from the left side. So here in example you can see that $8 equal to computer I have given, and left dollar $8 comma 5. So here it is saying that you have to move 5 from the left side, means from starting from C you have to count 5. Then you can see that COMPU, it is the output. Another function is right dollar. Right dollar is used, it extracts and returns a specified number of characters from the right side of the given string, means it counts the number, it counts the alphabet, it counts the string from the right side. So in left dollar we have read that it counts the value of a string from the left side, but in right dollar it counts the value from the right side, but it returns only on left side. Count from right side but return from left side. Understood or not? Okay, so here you can see syntax right dollar string expression and number. So same like left dollar it counts. Okay, so you can see the example. So here $8 equal to computer and right dollar $8 comma 5. So it just count 5 from right side. So right side is R there, so from right side it counts 5. Then you can see and it has written from left side, means count from right side but written from left side. What is in left side? Understood or not? Okay, so now we'll read another function, that is $. Function. So it is a string function that breaks and extracts a specified number of characters from any position of the given string from the middle. Means from the middle, okay, either in between the string variable, and it counts from that which position you have specified. In that position it counts. Understood or not? Okay, so now you can see a syntax: $, a string expression, a starting position, and number of characters. Means you have to write a string expression. Which expression you have given here? Okay, in that string expression, here a starting position you have to put, that is number. Understood? And number of character means at which length you have to move. So that you have to put here. You can see an example and you will be cleared from this example. You can see the example. So here $, equal to computer, and then print $, $, comma 3, comma 5. Means here a string expression is computer, that's $, comma 3 means a starting position is 3. Then at last that is number of length or number of character, means 5 character you have to take, but from 3 position is 3, means 3 is COM, means M is position. From M you have to count 5 letters. Understood or not? So MPUTE, that is our output. So you have understood that? Okay, so now I'll read another function, that is ASC function. This function returns the ASCII code of given a string expression. Means it just give the ASCII code of any string expression. So it just give the value of ASCII code. Means if you will give there is A, then it gives the value of A, which is represented in ASCII. Understood? And the second point is, if there are more than one character in the string, then it will show the ASCII code of first character only. Means if there are computer, then it takes only say the character or ASCII value of C. Understood? So you can see the example here. So here you can see first is $, equal to computer and $, equal to A, then ASCII $, ASCII B$, AC $, and AC B$. Here you can see here is 67, that is 67 is the value of C, and here A, 65 is the value of A. Means it only takes the value of first character or takes the ASCII value of first character. Understood that? Okay, so note that everything what I'm teaching here. Understood? So now another topic we'll read, $. Function. So this function gives the ASCII code of numeric value in the string. Means you have put their numeric value, and it just provide what is the ASCII code of that numeric value or ASCII string code of that value. Understood? So here you can see the example. Let A equal to 65 and $, bracket A, then it gives the capital A, that means value of 65 means it is the ASCII value of A. Understood that? Okay, so you must understand this. Okay, now another topic we'll read, val function. This function extracts the number from the string expression. If a string variable contains number also, then it extracts number only from the string. If the first character of the string expression is not number, in that case it returns 0. Understood that? It is saying that in a string there is number also and a string value also. In that case it just checks or takes only a string value from that string. For that case you must put both number value before the string. Means if there is a string before the number value, then it will return 0. Understood that? So their first character must be number, then only it returns number. Understood that? So syntax you can write that val string expression. So here in example you can see So here $8 equal to 40 apples. Then it only takes 40. So it only takes numeric value. Understood that? Now another example you can see. Here I have put only $8 equal to apples. Here is no any numeric value. Then it returns 0. Understood this? Okay, so now another topic is instr function. So instr is a string search function which gives the position of first occurrence of a string expression in another string expression. Means it works like just searching. Means one string expression search their string in another string expression. So it just search but according to numeric expression. You can see an example. So here you can see here $8 equal to A B C D B. Here B equal to B. Then in this function instr B, where is B in A B C D B? So that it search. Okay. So here you can see $2, $8, B. That means what is in B? That is searched on $8. According to numeric value they are given. Or value of $8, that is ABCDB. Means here B comes on 2 times. So it first takes B in second position. Means if you have given here instr 1, then also it returns 2. If you have given here 2, then also it returns 2. But in case you have written here 3, in that case it just pass away that B, second B. Then it just put there another B, that is in 5th position. So it just left the second B of second position. Understood? Because value is 3. So according to 3, according to number, it just search their value. Understood this? Okay, so here I have given 2 examples. So first example this, then another example also you can see. Here I have put the value of 3, then also you can see that it returns 5. So now another topic we'll read, that is $trim function. So $trim function means it removes the space given on the left side of any string value. So here you can see the syntax $trim string expression. So here in example you can see. So here $8 equal to a space then Rama, and it just clean that space. So here in output you can see there is not a space. So it is the work of $trim functions. And then other is $trim function. That means it removes the space given on right side of a string variable. So here in syntax $trim string expression, and in example you can see here. So $8 equal to Rama, then a space, but because of $trim, the space on right side it removes. Understood? Okay, so now other topic we'll read, that is $case function. So $case function means it just make lowercase every string or every characters of the string. Means in any alphabet you have written there capital letters, then it just change into or a small letter. So but if there is already a small letter in your string, then it only takes that string letter as it is, but it only a small that string which is in capital. Understood? So here in example you can see here AR is in capital and UN in small. So here you can see L case $8, then here everything is in a small letter. So here AR is in capital in this example. So first it put that in a small, but UNA in a small already. So leave that number. So here you can see the value is Aruna, that is in a small letter. So now another function will read $case function. So work of $case function is to change the lowercase letter into uppercase. So just opposite. Here you can see the example, that is Aruna is a small letter and it makes all in capital. You can see on output. Now we'll read the other function, that is str dollar function. It is used to convert a numeric expression to its string expression. After changing a number to a string, we cannot use it as a number. Means it just change the numeric value into a string value, and then we cannot use that like a number. Means that is now a string, so you can use that as a string, not as a number. Understood? So now you can see the example here. So here equal to 65, so here is str dollar a, that means it makes it a string. So now 66 is a string, so it will not function like number. We cannot add 66 with another number because now it is a string, or it function like a string. So now another function, that is a string dollar function. So a string dollar function means it is that function which put the number of character, that which number has specified here. So according to the number specified, put the string character there. You can see an example. So here character is a star, then a string 10 times, and then adder means it put the star 10 times here. You can see here. So now another function will read. So now another is date dollar and time dollar function. So these both are separate functions which are used for date and time, which are saved on your computer. If you will give date dollar, then it gives the date of your computer. If you have put there time dollar, then it shows time of your computer. You can see the example here. So here this is my first school day, and then date dollar. This is my class starting time, then here is time dollar. You can see in output, this is my first school day, then here is time that has saved on my computer, and here the starting time, it also saved on my computer when I have made this tutorial. Understood? Okay. So viewers, students, if you have any confusion in any function, then you can write in comment, but you must understand this. Okay?
For today, this much only. Till then, keep watching my channel, and viewers, thank you for watching my video.